is Vlogmas day 18, which is crazy. It is really cold out, so I have layers on, Uniqlo, Dudley, vest, my typical thing. Probably shouldn't be showing skin on my ankles, but whatever. I'm going to Target. I'm gonna go get some tools so I can put that thing together. And then I get to work, and then my brother's coming over for lunch. Yeah, it's Friday, so that's awesome. And very happy about it. I think it's gonna be a good day. I'm a little tired, I don't know why, but maybe the brisk air will wake me up. Again, I live way too close to Target. Let's just way too close. I'm gonna focus and I'm gonna put my nightstand together. I'm sitting in my kitchen because this is like where the lightest, I have the most light. I also got a toolbox. Let me just show you this. Like, it's pink. There actually wasn't any other colors to choose from, just pink. So wish me luck. I really hope this works. I am not done yet, but let me tell you, I know this looks simple, not so simple, at least for me. I'm just hoping that these are in the right spots. Fingers crossed. Did I do it? I did. The drawer fit in. Do I have extra pieces? Yeah, I have quite a few extra pieces. It's fine. It's totally fine. I'm gonna show you. I also found a nice knob that I had from Anthropology from forever ago, and so I put that on here. Looks like a very simple thing, but the fact that I got that drawer, I couldn't figure out part of it. Like, there's this stabilizer thing. I don't even know where it is. Oh, this thing. I couldn't figure this out, so I think it's gonna wiggle. But I'm okay with that because this is, yeah, it does wiggle a little bit. Maybe I should try and figure that out. But I'm very proud of myself because I was really not sure that the drawers were gonna line up, and they did. Here it is. It's finally there. I realized that I messed up because there's like a space between the drawer, but I'm gonna have to just accept that. And then on this side, I took the table that I had there and I put some books to level up this, or to lift up this lamp. And I realized that this switch actually turns that switch on and off, so that's good. So here we go. I'm gonna try and figure out that, but I don't know what I did, but I am very happy with the look. I actually just added those gray pillows. Now I have 6 pillows on the bed. So here's the whole look. I was gonna make pizza tonight for dinner, but I ended up having a meatball sub for lunch. So now I'm gonna make pancakes. And this like crazy recipe. I don't have enough all-purpose flour, so I'm gonna use bread flour and see what happens. But what I wanted to show you is the rock. I don't know if I've shown it before. It has like lines on one side, not on the other. And I got it at Costco. It's still there. I saw it last weekend. I think it's $16.99. It's awesome. It turns everything into a griddle. Plus I have a built-in griddle. So I'm just gonna make all the pancakes. I've made these before, so if you watched my vlog before, I actually froze them, like, because there's a lot that comes from this recipe, and put them in the air fryer, like toaster, and they were awesome. I'm gonna make those. I'm very excited. And I wish I had some like bacon or sausage or something, but I guess we'll go vegetarian breakfast for dinner on a Friday night, because why not? The pancakes turned out well. And even though I realized it didn't have an egg, but I used, I don't know, the internet said baking soda and vinegar as a substitute. It seemed to work. I don't know, but try this recipe if you like pancakes. It's so good. It's like you're making cake batter, but you're really making pancakes. I think I'm gonna call it for a night. I need to post some of these Vlogmas videos. I'm so sorry, it's been a delay. I will get those to you, and I wanna say thank you for watching. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you for sending me links to bar stools and rugs for my kitchen and, or bath mats, whatever. I need to lay down. Bath mats for my bathroom. I hope you're doing awesome, and I will see you tomorrow. Happy Vlogmas day 19. Today I'm shooting a bunch of TikTok videos. Actually, I just shot a bunch, which is why my hair is done. I'm feeling super productive. I also am thinking I like my hair. I'm gonna get it cut on Monday, but I may not get it cut as much as I thought I was going to. Whatever. I want to say thank you for the TV show recommendations, movie recommendations, counter stool recommendations, what to do with my bathroom rug situation. Yeah, thank you for all of that. I really appreciate it. Today, Like I said, I'm shooting these videos. I need to shoot some more footage for them. And then I think I'm going to probably go to the grocery store and make some of those cookies that take 3 days to, like, you make the dough and then 3 days later you bake them, because today's Saturday, which means I would bake them Tuesday. Yeah, things are going good. It's a good Saturday. I'm probably the only person who's done their like hair and makeup, but I'm actually, like I said, really loving my hair today. And if you're not on TikTok, follow me on TikTok. There's a lot of content there that I don't have on my vlogs. It's very quick content. So if you're on TikTok, I have 2 accounts. I have Chicago Style Icon, and then I have Digital Speaking Coach. On Digital Speaking Coach, I give presentation skills tips and public speaking tips. And on Chicago Style Icon, I pretty much just talk about Amazon products I love, and then like random things that are happening. Like last night I ran out of guys on Bumble. Like Bumble just like said, they'll say you're out of men. So I talk about things like that on TikTok. So follow me over there, and if you want to. So I'm gonna go get this stuff done and probably end up watching The Holiday later today. It's like I'm dressing up to go to the grocery store. I really wanted to wear my pink coat. I've only worn it once this year. I don't think I'm gonna be able to wear it that much. I also wanted to wear my Stuart Weitzman boots. So I'm wearing those with some leggings that have pockets, so I can put that. And I have a sweatshirt on underneath, but I don't know, just decided to look cute for Whole Foods. I just got back from Whole Foods, and since you said you wouldn't mind seeing what I buy from Whole Foods, I'll show you what one bag of $75 gets you. Let's see. Yeah, that's how much? 70. Okay. So I bought eggs. These are pasture raised, not organic, but they're non-GMO. I need them for my cookies and also for things like pancakes, like how I forgot last night that I didn't have eggs. Then I was like, well, I haven't had bacon in a long time. So I bought the Applegate Organics hickory smoked, no sugar, uncured bacon. I'm just hoping it has like it doesn't have all the bad stuff. I bought some fresh mozzarella because I'm making pizza tonight. In that bowl right there, the dough, lemons, cucumber, tomato, because I'm gonna make a salad because it's been a minute since I had some vegetables. Turns out Whole Foods also has chicken tenders, and it says I should consume them by Tuesday. And this looks like maybe 2 meals or like 1 large one. I'll put these in my air fryer. I needed some dark brown sugar for my cookie recipe. I'll put the link to the recipe below. I'm not gonna make the cookie or the dough today because I figure I can do it Sunday and bake them on Wednesday. Lime, potato. I'm like obsessed with baking potatoes and roasting potatoes lately, so I got like 2 of those. And then I'm trying the specific organic chicken noodle soup. I don't know why. I'm not a big fan of chicken, but I bought 2 chicken things, and I just feel like sometimes it's a cold day and all you want is chicken noodle soup. And I just wanted to have it on hand. So I'm gonna try this one out. Mayomi wine, because. And then I wanna get more Abilene wine, but that's at Mariano's, not Whole Foods. I've been craving burgers lately, so instead of ordering one, I thought I would just buy my own organic grass-fed burger patties to have some lettuce to make the salad, which I should probably have now. But anyways, I'm gonna put this stuff away, and then I got another package that I wanna show you, and it's all from the Laundress. Okay, the Laundress. I ordered this, let's just say a while ago, Black Friday-ish. Anyways, they said it would be delayed a few days, and it was delayed a lot, which I get it lately. So I emailed them last week, and I was like, hey, just like wanted to check on the status of my order. No one responded, but then I got my package 2 days later. They picked it on the 16th. Whatever, that's fine. I get it, businesses are busy. I love the Laundress. If you don't know about this, this is like one of my favorite. And they had some free gifts, and their signature detergent smells incredible. I always wash my sheets and my towels with this, plus their fabric conditioner. My God, so good. Their surface cleaner smells incredible, and it is, all their stuff is like highly concentrated. I think it's like vegan and like no added things and stuff like that. I am trying, well no, I have their Fabric Fresh. I think they just redesigned the packaging there. I know because I have like 2 other bottles. The Wash and Stain Bar, Holiday Edition. Oh, it smells different. I already have a Wash and Stain Bar, but it's always good to have another one. Then I got, I got 2 signature detergents because there was like 20% off, but it didn't apply to the gallon size. So I just bought 2 of the 33 ounce size. One thing I'm very excited about is I ordered their stain brush. So you can use it with the Wash and Stain Bar, or I have the stain solution by them. And so this helps get the stains out. I watched a lot of videos on their website. I was sold and I thought it's so cute. And I think it said you can also use it on like cashmere and stuff like that. What's coming out of it? You can use it on cashmere and things like that, I believe. Don't quote me, check it out. So I will link the Laundress products below. I'm gonna show you how much of the Laundress I already have. It's a real obsession. So, okay, let me pull. So I already have the all-purpose bleach alternative, which is amazing, the Darks detergent. Then I have their wool and cashmere shampoo, their fabric conditioner, and delicate wash. Oh, no, I'm not done yet. Then I have the stain solution, there's the stain bar that I have, and then I have the Fabric Fresh. Don't you worry, I have other products. Let me show you. I've collected them over the years. They're just so good. So I also have, well, another Fabric Fresh classic. That one was the number 10, which I don't think they make anymore. The wool and cashmere spray, which is good for wool and cashmere. And then the sports spray. That is good for like sports bras and stuff. So those are all my Laundress products. Can't really go wrong. And they have a store in Soho, which I've been to. It's incredible. And since I can't go to Soho, I guess I'll bring the store to me. Now I'm going to put this away and then edit some of the TikTok videos I shot earlier. I am making pizza again. Let's hope this time I don't set off the smoke alarm. But if it does get set off, I now have a step stool that can help me reach the ceiling. So yeah, but let's just hope that doesn't happen. If you are new to my channel, I like to buy my pizza dough from Whole Foods. They have it like in the bakery type section. And for me, it's big enough to make 2 pizzas. So I have in here the second half to dough that I had used before, or I had, made pizza from before. I can't talk, I'm too hungry. And I'll put on some Rayo's marinara sauce. I bought some mozzarella, and that's gonna be my pizza.